Let's take a minute to become familiar with LearnKey training powered by GMetrix to help you get the most out of this exciting new product. The first step in getting started will be creating access codes for your students. This can be created with one or multiple courses with the ability to determine how long they will have access to the course. Log in as an administrator. Click on Access Codes on the left-hand side. Click on Create Access Code. Click on the pencil. Type the identifier in the field at the end of the identifier area to make this unique to what you are creating. We are going to title this one MOS. Enter the number of students. Enter the number of uses. Enter the number of days. Select the courses you would like the students to have access to. Click Next. Confirm the information is correct. Click Next. This is now the code that you will give your students in order for them to have access to the courses you have chosen. Once the code has been created and distributed, and you have ensured your students have activated the code, then you can group them in a class. Click on Groups. Click on Student Group. Click Create Student Group. Enter a group name and description. Select the students you would like in this group by checking the box next to their name. Click Next. If you haven't already registered as a GMetrix student, signing up is easy. Just click the Sign Up Now link on the GMetrix.net website. Once there, you'll enter the required information and then click the Confirm button. Be sure to review your information, and once checked, click the Create an Account button. If you need to change anything, you can click the Back button to make the necessary changes. If your account was created successfully, you'll see a banner indicating as much at the top of the page. Click the Login Page button to log in. Enter your username and password and click Sign In. If you are a new student, then you will be greeted by a welcome screen where you will enter the access code provided by your instructor. Enter the code and click the blue Redeem Code button. If you are a returning student, enter your login information and sign in. You will see your course's dashboard. Click the Redeem New Access Code option, enter your access code, and click the Redeem Code button. Once you have redeemed your code, your new course will appear in the Start a New Course tab in the Courses menu. To begin your course, simply click the Start arrow. In the course window, you'll see Sessions, Activity Reports, and Resources, with standard navigation options at the top. Click Session 1 to access the content. Here you'll see a pre-assessment, training, labs, and post-assessment. Most sessions will have a similar layout. Before starting with the pre-assessment, we recommend a quick review of the glossary found in the resources before taking the assessment. Once you've completed the pre-assessment, you can click Save and Exit to save the assessment and resume at a later time. Or you can click Finish to have the test grade and score generated. If you submit a test for grading, notice that you now have an indicator that shows your progress toward completion. Before you begin the video training, return to the resources and download the course support files as well as the workbook or project manual if present. The course support files contain the files that are used during the video training, which allows you to follow along with the expert using the same files. Now click Training. As you progress through the video training, the sections you complete will be marked with a check mark. If you feel the need to review, simply click on the section that you would like to review or use the navigation on the video player to get to the correct video. Complete the activities found in the workbook or project manual. If you haven't downloaded these already, you can find them under Resources. If you need to, refer to the training video to help you complete these activities. Next, click the labs. Keep in mind that for Office 2013 courses, you will need to have the corresponding Office application installed on your machine. Note, if you have Office 2016 installed and are training using the 2013 course, then you will receive notice that some features may not work and will be given the option of whether or not to continue. The labs will take you step by step through the material covered in the course and give you the opportunity to not only try your skills and reinforce what you've learned, but also get a taste of what a certification exam might be like. Once you have completed the labs, take the post-assessment. As with the pre-assessment, you may click Save and Exit to save your labs or post-assessment to resume later. Or you may click Finish to generate a score. You may take the post-assessment as many times as you wish or until you achieve a score of 80% or better. Use the activity report to help you track your training progress. Here you'll see not only the time you've spent training, but the lab and assessment scores, time you've spent testing, and number of attempts for each assessment.